Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix UKG Pro login issues, authentication and access errors step by step clearly. To begin, check your internet connection. Ensure that you have a stable and secure connection. Open your web browser and navigate to the UKG Pro login page. Double-check that the URL is correct to avoid phishing sites. Enter your username and password carefully. Watch for any typing errors, as they can lead to authentication failures. If you're unsure about your password, use the Forgot Password link to reset it. Follow the prompts to receive a password reset email. Check your email, including your spam or junk folders, for the reset instructions. After resetting your password, return to the login page. Enter your new password and attempt to log in again. If you still cannot log in, clear your browser's cache and cookies. After clearing your cache, restart your browser before trying to log in again. Sometimes, browser extensions can cause access issues. Try logging in using incognito mode. If you still face issues, switch to a different web browser. Ensure that your browser is updated to the latest version for compatibility. If you're using a VPN, disable it and attempt to log in again. Contact your system administrator if you are part of an organization. They might have information on whether there are temporary system outages or other issues. If all else fails, reach out to UKG Pro customer support for assistance. Provide them with as much detail as possible about your login attempts. They will guide you through further troubleshooting steps. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.